Oh, look at that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about dermaplaning. Does it make you grow a beard? What does it do? Does it work? Is it worth it? I want to answer all these questions for you in this video. But before we do that, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you get notifications every single time that I upload. And do not, I repeat, do not forget to give me that thumbs up and a comment in the comment section below. Have you tried dermaplaning? Do you want to? Have you removed hair from your face in a different way? What works for you? Let me know below, or just comment something positive and I will reply. Okay, don't forget to follow me on my social media, on my Instagram at MissyASTB_ and on my Twitter. Come on guys, my Twitter is dead. Help me build it up. And if you follow me on Twitter and you tweet me and let me know you are a subscriber, I'll follow you back. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you me dermaplaning on my phone, by the way, so the quality will change. I do dermaplane for the first time, so you can see how I'm doing it, etc, etc, and then I will talk you through where my skin is at now. So the reason why I dermaplane is because I've got little hairs on my face, and I feel like, especially with my acne scarring, the black hair on my face just adds extra shadow. But also, when I do wear makeup, my makeup sits way better when I don't have hair on my face, like everyone's does, because you're not getting your makeup and your foundation and your contour stuck on your hair and your face. It's on your skin only. So I like the way it looks, I really do. So I decided to dermaplane because obviously you know that I am derma rolling, and with derma rolling your skin can get dry because basically you are puncturing holes in your skin and then your skin layers shed off a little bit more. So I always have like dry patches or extra layers of skin here and there. So I felt like with the dermaplaning, it will get rid of all the dead skin cells, so it's almost like an exfoliant at the same time as removing your hair, because I feel like I always thread my face and threading hurts, okay? It really hurts, I'm not gonna lie to you. It hurts. I have no pain threshold. It hurts me. But my eyebrows always look better when I thread than dermaplane them or pluck them. Obviously threading is the best for your eyebrows, but for your face it's painful. And it does exfoliate your skin a little bit with threading, but I feel like dermaplaning is way better. So I'm going to show you a video of me dermaplaning, etc. right now, and then we'll come back to a month later and I'll tell you how I feel about it then. I used to have a lot more hair on my face before I started threading. I do not have a lot of hair on my face. I'm not saying that my face is extra hairy. It's just like bits like here. I can always see it in kind of a ring here. Don't know if it's showing up so much on camera. Maybe these bits are because they're dark. I don't really have any chin hair. I actually did my moustache like a week ago. Okay, so the pack I got was from eBay and it was £3. Blade. Ooh. Okay, so it doesn't look too scary. So what I've seen is people shaving upwards and downwards, and then I'll show you the fuzz on there too. I'm not going to do my eyebrows. I might do the middle bit, I don't know, because I'm going to get them threaded properly because I feel like I can't shape it with this. So let's see if going up helps. Woo! Okay. Oh, look at that. See what I mean? Like, I don't have a lot of dark hair, but there's definitely lots of blonde and brown hairs there. Right, did it hurt? No. You can definitely tell it was something sharp. It feels smooth. You need to hold it at a 45-degree angle, not like that. Do you think don't press too hard? One thing I forgot to say was make sure that you use soap before you dermaplane, so there's no oil on your face, no creams, nothing that will get in the way. Now I'm getting to my nose. My nose is the best bit, I think. I really want to get rid of the black hairs. Okay, they are coming up actually. Yeah, and show you. Oh, look at those little black heads. Disgusting. My skin feels a little bit sensitive right now, so I'm going to make sure with really cold water and probably put on a vitamin C and hyaluronic acid that I use for derma rolling so my skin can regenerate. So if you look at my skin, I feel like it looks a lot brighter. And I think it's actually helped with scarring. Actually, it's really taken away a good layer of dead skin cells. Like, even these indentations and pigmentations, they look tiny now. See, the indentations on my face have reduced dramatically because of dermarolling anyway, but this has helped. I'm going to wash this with water and then I'm going to sanitize it with the alcohol spray so it's nice and clean. Oh my gosh, like my skin feels so smooth. I've just washed it with cold water and put the serum on. Oh my god, like it feels incredible. Okay, so it is a month later. You can look at my face. What I do find annoying about it, like, I have had to dermaplane 3 times in the space of a month. Mine, when I'm threading, takes a month to grow back, so I normally get my face threaded every month, every 6 weeks. Yeah, so I find that more convenient, so you're not always dermaplaning. So you want to know the big question: does it make you grow back thick hair? And to be honest, I don't think it does. It just grows you the hair that you already have. However, remember, like I said, when you pluck the hair out, it's gone, so it has to regenerate another root and then grow out. So it does tend to be thinner if you're threading or waxing your face. Okay. So technically it looks a little bit thicker, not here, I've not had it thicker here, but my eyebrow hair, my moustache hair looks like a little bit more wiry, and I don't really I get hair here, I do, but it's not beard-like. It doesn't come back beard-like if it's not already beard-like. Like your moustache and your eyebrow hair is always thicker than obviously the hair that's here. So even here, I've not had it come back beard-like. I do enjoy dermaplaning because I do feel like it definitely exfoliates my skin with it. So am I going to continue dermaplaning or go back to threading? To be honest, I'm going to continue dermaplaning my skin. However, I'm going to thread my upper lip, I think, because I don't like the stubble that can come out of a day or two after dermaplaning. And my eyebrows, I'm probably going to go back to my threading lady and let her do those. But for the rest of my face, I feel like it's great, especially when I'm dermarolling. It does get rid of those dead skin cells. But if you already have thick hair on your face, I don't think dermaplaning is for you, because you will get that next or 2-3 days later stubble and you won't be happy. I would stick to threading or waxing so it's coming out of the root. What you could do is, if you want to use it for the exfoliating thing, is you could get your face threaded and then after do your dermaplaning. It won't encourage hair to grow back because you've plucked it out of the root, so how can it? If you get it waxed, you've already taken dead skin cells off, so you don't really need to use dermaplaning. But if you've got light hair on your face or it's just very thin, I would definitely recommend it. So that is my opinion on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done already. Give me a thumbs up, comment in the comment section below, you know, all that jazz. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.